Okay, so why should you hire a let me grab Cal. Why should you hire a personal injury lawyer?
There's a lot of benefits, many of which I didn't really understand at first, but in Utah there's a law where if your medical bills exceed $3,000, you're not really going to be able to have the funding from your insurance on its own. You're going to have some negotiation. And since I wasn't at fault and my bills exceeded that, it just kind of seemed like a no-brainer because I would get, more settlement for my injuries that weren't my fault. So, I obviously didn't want to pay out of pocket for mine, and my insurance company wasn't really working with me. So it's always a good idea to maximize that and to make sure that someone has your best interest and you're not just another number for the insurance companies.
Okay. What were your injuries?
My injuries were a broken collarbone and a right foot, my right foot that got gashed up and had a bunch of stitches that had to be put in.
What expenses have you paid?
The ride in the ambulance to the ER and some procedures that were done at the hospital, like x-rays and numbing for my foot and then the stitches that had to be put in.
Okay. What future injuries will you have?
Future treatment and injuries are just going to be some upcoming visits to the orthopedic and to make sure that my shoulder and collarbone are healing up as they should, and that I'm still uncertain if that will involve physical therapy, and I don't think I'll have to have surgery, but if everything goes well, it should just be some more doctor visits.
Okay. What effect has it had on your life?
It's really shooken me up since, once I'm going to be able to ride my bike again, I will, but it's scary and something that I thought you could just avoid by being a good rider and following the rules and having the proper gear and attire, but, things do happen, and just always know that it's a possibility and it's just part of the risk of the sport.
Okay, great, thanks.
Mm-hmm.